I think philanthropy can play a catalytic role in this. I think the main thing is philanthropy has the opportunity to take risk, and philanthropy should take risks. We can take risks without any specific consequences unless we do it, if we do it sustainably and responsibly. So examples of that would be that we can de-risk investments in the private sector to actually accelerate and scale up investments in the private sector to improve access to energy, for example. We can help create ecosystems that allow business to focus and develop in the way business should. We can invest in developing solutions, new models, new ways of trying to be more efficient and more effective in how we provide opportunity for people to lift themselves out of poverty. And we can bridge the gaps between markets and policymakers. And we can drive collaborations, as I said before. We can set up structures that help people collaborate towards a better opportunity. We did that, for example, when we, back in 2014, invested in setting up what's later became the Women Business Coalition, which focuses on how business can help drive the world towards net zero. It's an example of really an unprecedented collaboration between business and governments and the financial sector and people, and such collaborations, in this case, ultimately led to the setup of science-based target, which is now the global one of, I would say, the key global standard for business to demonstrate how they can maximize their impact in reducing the climate impact that they have through their business.